Let's get this old girl home. Sometimes I just think that I just not very smart. But 1979, so it's actually older than me. GMC C10. It's actually got a pretty cool it's two owner vehicle. The guy bought it in '84. Put most of the miles in it. It's got a actually pretty cool camper that will be coming off. Actually, I don't know. Actually, like kind of cool. It's a long bed though, but hey, I do need the room for the long bed. So yeah, new project. For the price that I got it for, I cannot complain. Need some stuff, but it's got 3-speed 6-cylinder, so we'll see how it does. So this is exactly the body style that I love, so hell yeah, let's finish getting this on. We're gonna have to readjust everything, so we're gonna let it go a little bit. Now we have a lock chain like that, and all we gotta do is put tension on it. So no, we go the other way. Bam. See that? Right there. We're squatting. Won't go nowhere. Pieces are falling, but it is what it is. You have to make your own can. This is why I love Remy Delco. That's an old Remy Delco too. We'll see if it works or not. But took the carb off, cleaned it. I didn't take it all the way apart. I just cleaned the main parts of it, and it looks like it fired up, but I ran out of gas. So we'll see about getting the fuel lines, and yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna take the liquid. Okay guys, my problem is that it doesn't shift from there forward. So all it is, well, I knew what the problem was in the beginning, was that you needed to have the key to unlock it. So I changed and got a new set of keys. But when I you see that it doesn't really allow me to go forward or back. So then, okay, I think I'm in gear there. Yeah, I'm in gear there. So, but if I'm trying to do another gear, you see, it doesn't really want to do it. Yeah, what am I doing wrong here? There's something definitely wrong. And what is the generator thing here on this one? Because that one actually lights up and it stays lit up sometimes. I guess that's the alternator, but I don't know. Please, any tips you have, put them down below. Just got this thing, trying to figure out a little bit off of it. Yeah, thanks guys. What does that mean? Someone please explain to me. Why do I have so many projects to do? And instead of fixing the APU on my truck, I'm over here trying to fucking lower my C10. Yeah, I'm a regular genius. That thing works good though. It works really fucking good.